Welcome to Greenland, a realm where natural beauty and cultural richness intertwine. Our journey begins with the heartfelt voice of a Greenlandic resident, embodying the spirit and vitality of this unique land. Here, amidst vast ice sheets and vibrant communities, every individual has a story. Our guide not only shares their personal experiences but also offers insight into daily life in Greenland. From activities beneath the midnight sun to reflections during long winter nights, their narrative paints a picture of survival seamlessly blending with celebration. These stories form a tapestry, each thread revealing the intricate connections between people and their land. As this story unfolds, we invite you to step closer, feel the spirit of Greenland, and immerse in its captivating allure. This introduction sets the stage for an inspiring journey through landscapes, culture, and wildlife awaiting us. Welcome to Greenland, where ancient ice and pristine landscapes call explorers to wonder. As our journey begins, we are immersed in the majestic landscapes that define Greenland's unparalleled beauty. Expansive glaciers tower silently, bearing witness to the passage of time. Azure waters navigate pathways through these frozen giants, each icy formation a testament to nature's artistry and power. Here, icebergs drift with grace, creating an ever-changing portrait over the world's largest island. As we traverse these awe-inspiring terrains, we reflect on the untouched splendor where every green valley and icy peak sings nature's grandeur. This is a place where elements are both creators and custodians of this frozen paradise. Join us as we delve deeper, where culture and nature dance in harmony, a prelude to the stories yet to unfold. Ahead, we explore the cultural vibrance and rich traditions that give Greenland its unique heartbeat. Stay with us on this journey through a land where nature's beauty knows no bounds. Delving deep into Greenland's essence, we find a culture as vast and captivating as its icy landscapes. Traditions here are not echoes of the past, but integral aspects of daily life. In coastal villages, the spirit of community is more than a tradition, it's a way of life. The Inuit people weave wisdom passed down through generations into every aspect of their existence. Through music and dance, they sing ancestral tales and echo the rhythms of the northern winds. Festivals unite families and friends, creating a vivid tapestry that illuminates long winter nights. The connection between land and people forms the foundation of their identity. Beyond the glaciers and fjords, beauty is seen in smiles during communal feasts, where storytelling is an art form. This collective spirit is the heart of Greenlandic life, showing that human bonds are as wondrous as lush forests. As traditional drums beat, we understand Greenland's community spirit is a reservoir of warmth, nurturing resilience against harsh elements. Join us as we explore Greenlandic wildlife, where nature and humanity exist harmoniously. Further into Greenland, we encounter its wildlife wonders, where the rugged terrain is matched by diverse animal life. From majestic polar bears on icy shores to graceful whales breaching ocean surfaces, Greenland's wildlife creates a breathtaking tapestry. Each creature plays a key role in the ecosystem and in the cultural narratives woven by Greenland's people, telling stories of harmony where humans and wildlife coexist respectfully. In townships, hunters and fishermen echo age-old traditions, their practices embodying a deep respect for the land's creatures. This intricate dance with nature maintains a delicate balance, representing survival and mutual respect. Exploring these connections, we learn that preserving Greenland's wildlife is vital for ecological balance and Greenlandic heritage. We find wonder and awe alongside respect for the silent history written between land and its dwellers. Continue with us as we delve into the challenges threatening this harmony and discover stories of resilience in an ever-changing world. Greenland stands at a pivotal moment, facing challenges that test its resolve. As ice melts at unprecedented rates, reshaping storied landscapes, within this challenge lies a call to action, the drive to preserve cultural heritage. In village hearts, community gatherings echo with determination to safeguard traditions. Amid adversities, Greenland's spirit remains unbroken, thriving on resilience. That ties its people to the land and sea. As forces clash, cultural preservation efforts shine as a beacon of hope, uniting communities and fueling ingenuity. This conflict reveals Greenland's true heart, a testament to unwavering determination. As we reflect, we find inspiration, leading to a future forged by hope. Witness how Greenlandic communities unite to combat these challenges, nurturing hope and resilience. Amid vast, icy landscapes, Greenland's communities stand resilient against climate change, harnessing hope to light the path ahead. The fight against environmental threats becomes a testament to enduring spirit. Community initiatives bloom like Arctic flowers, symbolizing determination. Renewable energy projects rise from snowy tundras as wind and solar breathe life into remote regions. Through collective action, Greenlanders craft solutions reflecting sturdy nature and foresight. With each step, a story of unity narrates how resilience becomes a legacy. Observing their journey, hope binds past and promises for future generations. In Greenland, hope serves as a compass, guiding through today's trials towards a future of possibility. In Greenland's vastness, an intricate tapestry unfolds, weaving culture, nature, and people into one magnificent canvas. The land sings of ancient glaciers and the relentless spirit of its inhabitants, eternally intertwined. Each moment testifies to the enduring spirit harmonizing with nature's life-giving forces. Through generations, people have shaped and been shaped by the land, forging an unbreakable bond. This connection reveals Greenland's true beauty, a reminder that each element and being is vital to the whole. Reflecting on this tapestry, we are called to admire and protect it, for it is Greenland's heart and soul. Next, join a Greenlandic resident's personal reflection, envisioning hope and continuity for the future. As our journey concludes, we return to the heart of Greenland, its people. A Greenlandic resident shares a poignant reflection. Their gaze carries the hopes of the land. Amid icy expanses, they envision a future rich with potential and resolve. Our home is beautiful and resilient, they affirm, emphasizing continuity. Tales of glaciers, culture, and wildlife speak of endurance and a bond with nature sustaining life. These elements narrate a story of survival, growth, and hope. As they bid farewell, their message resonates, a testament to Greenland's undying spirit, ever bright, always forward-looking. Let us hold on to this hope as Greenland carries its vibrant past into a promising future. As our Greenland journey ends, we reflect on the incredible resilience of this land. Greenland's story is one of beauty, fortitude, and hope. From its majestic landscapes and enduring culture to vibrant wildlife and inspiring communities, each facet speaks of a spirit that refuses to break. In the face of change, Greenland's heart beats strong, embracing climate challenges while preserving rich heritage. Indomitable Greenlanders stand as guardians of a culture dancing in harmony with nature, each glacier and fjord telling timeless tales. Let us invite you to delve deeper into this land's mysteries, explore its untouched beauty, learn from its people, and find inspiration in the harmony of humans with nature. There's more to discover and learn from Greenland's spirit. As we say goodbye, hold on to the enduring spirit of this extraordinary land, nestled in Arctic winds and whispers of ancient ice. Greenland is a testament to courage and resilience. May its stories inspire you to explore, understand, and cherish our world. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.